Wondering why your laundry takes forever to dry? Let's dive into the hidden dangers of clogged dryer ducts. When you think of home safety, you probably think of smoke detectors and sturdy locks. But don't overlook your dryer ducts. Clogged ducts are like a sneaky villain. They may seem innocent, but can wreak havoc if ignored. When lint builds up, airflow is restricted, turning your hard-working dryer into a slowpoke. This can lead to overheating and, yes, the risk of a house fire. Keeping your ducts clean isn't just maintenance, it's about protecting your home. Plus, clogged ducts mean poor indoor air quality, which can affect your family's health. Look out for long drying times or burning smells. These are red flags that your ducts need care. And let's not forget those inflated energy bills. Clogged ducts make your dryer work harder, costing you more money. Regular cleaning keeps your costs down and ensures no unwelcome pests invade your laundry space. So, grab your vent brush or call a professional to keep your ducts in check. Remember, keeping your dryer ducts clean means safer, more efficient laundry days. Set that reminder. Your cozy, fresh laundry will thank you.